In this video, I'm going to show you how to increase text height in AutoCAD. Adjusting text size is important for improving readability and ensuring that annotations are clearly visible in your drawings. To begin, select the text object you want to modify and double-click it to open the text editor. Once inside the editor, highlight the text if it is not already selected. This allows any changes you make to affect the entire text object. Next, look for the Text Height field in the text editor toolbar. Enter a new height value that is larger than the current one and press Enter. The text will immediately update to the new size. You can repeat this process for other text objects as needed. Increasing text height is a simple way to make your drawings more professional, readable, and easier to understand. Thanks for watching, and happy drafting in AutoCAD.